Harper².
And I'm Pigchunk, and I can do these.
Today we're going to be making
Slime! Let's get started. So I'm gonna take my glue, okay? We'll open it up. And I'm gonna bring it to the 30 milliliters line. Now I'm gonna go get some cold water from the sink since I got this up to around the 30 line. I've gotten it up to the 60 line. Now I have half of it is glue and half of it is water. Now I'm gonna stir. Now I'm gonna add 2 little cups of activator. These are so tiny. That's 2. Now I'm gonna stir some more. I'm gonna stir until it's partially slimy. Now we'll put some color in. What do I want? I'm gonna choose blue. Put that much in. I'm also gonna put some scent in. So it's candy. Now I'm gonna put some puff balls in. And then I'm gonna stir a tiny bit more because it doesn't feel like it's all the way stirred yet. There's a lot of puff balls. Now custard. Oh god, that's sticky. Okay, so this is my slime-ish substance, I'll call it. Oh, now I gotta knead it for 5 minutes. But first gotta get it off the spoon into the bowl. Just sticky and yucky and mucky. Blech. Put the spoon right here. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Ew. Okay, so I finished my slime and look, it's squishy. It flaps. Very floppy. I like it. I'm gonna see how long it stretches.
I just filled this up with 30 millimeters of glue. Now it's time to fill it up with 30 millimeters of water. This is how much you should have. Now we have to stir. This looks good. Now we have to put our color in. I'm going to do pink. You don't want to put all the color in because that would just be too much. That's how much color I put in. Now we have to do 2 of these of activator. Okay, now we have to stir. It feels hard to stir, but that's how it's supposed to be. Oh. You see that? Wow. That means the bottom is turning into like this slimy, gooey, wet mixture, and which is good. It's a little too wet to take out right now, so yeah. So now I'm going to be dumping my slime mixture in the bowl. Ooh, beautiful. Gross. And it's time to like knead it. It feels so weird. So here's my slime. It's a little sticky, but that's okay. It's not too sticky. It's like so cool. I made it this cool pink color. Let me stretch. Ooh. This is my slime, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!